Hi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of linking workflow statuses in Contra. Contra users can seamlessly integrate workflow statuses with approval and signature center statuses to initiate approvals and signatures seamlessly. This feature should be enabled at the level of each workflow. To do so, go to System Settings and click on Manage Workflows under Contracts and Documents. At this stage, you can choose the workflow you wish to employ and simply click on Link Statuses. You have the option to link either the Approval Center, the Signature Center, or both. For instance, you can initially select the workflow status that will designate the Approval Center as to be approved and initiate the Approval Center. Then, after the approval process is completed and the contract is either approved or rejected, you can choose which status should be automatically updated on the contracts. The Signature Center can be initiated in a similar manner. Upon completion of all approvals, the contract status will seamlessly transition to be signed, for example. Finally, after the contract is signed, the status will be updated to executed. Once the linked statuses are configured, they will be automatically assigned to all new contracts created under the selected workflow. Consider an example. Initially, for this contract, the approval and signature center statuses will appear as not started. As the contract progresses through the designated workflow statuses, the statuses in the Approval and Signature Center will be updated accordingly. This ensures that the process begins at the appropriate stage. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.